Welcome traders to this video about to master trading psychology for beginners. This video is tailored on how to stop emotional trading because that's one of the killer of struggling traders and beginner traders that make them last for years without being profitable. Understand? And that's why this channel is tailored to make sure that we shift the trader's attention from the charts to the emotions. So let's get to the video. Please like and follow the channel so that you'll be receiving more videos like this. Let's get to it immediately. Number one is control your emotions. Don't let your trade control you. Control your emotions. Don't let your trade control you. Then how can you control your emotions? Maybe you're on a drawdown of 3 losses in a day, 3% you're already down, you're on red. How can you control your emotions? So first of all, you must set entry, stop loss, and take profits. Those ones are unnegotiable. You must have a stop loss. And many people out there say no stop loss. They tell you that a stop loss. Put a stop loss in a predefined way. Before you enter the trade, make sure the stop loss is intact, right? So number two is don't change decision after execution. The moment your trade started running, you are not allowed again to make any further decision, but because you have predetermined your risk, you have set your stop loss, you have accepted it, and you take profits. So decision is not allowed again in this phase. Number three is accept loss as normal. Even if you set a stop loss, that stop loss can be hit, and you have to learn to accept it. There is no profitable trader out there who make it and last in the market without learning how to accept losses. You must learn to accept losses. Number two is use a simple plan, right? Use a simple plan. How do you go around use your plan? First of all, you treat only your setups. In the market, there are many opportunities, buy and sell, but you must have an edge. Your setup, which you need to see in the market before you take your trade. Number two is risk 0.5 to 1% per trade. That is my favorite, 0.5. Trust me, it keeps me in the zone. Which I don't even need to go and be checking the charts every minute, every second. No, when you understand your risk appetite. Your own may be 0.25 or 0.1 or even 1 or 2. Understand your risk appetite. The one that you can allow your trade to run without feeling that urge or that scared. You are scared that you will lose the money. No, if you are scared to lose in that trade, that means you have risked too much. Number three is avoid random or impulsive trade. Avoid these things. Random or impulsive trade. Avoid it. You have a setup. When you don't take a trade until your setup appears. Avoid any random or impulsive trade. You want to FOMO comes, you want to jump into a move. No. Leave that and trade only when you see your setup. Number three is focus on discipline, not profit. Focus on discipline, not profit, not profit. This was the hardest thing I learned some time ago, because we see the possibility of making money in this industry. Then we come into the industry and we are being told that we should not focus on the money, we should focus on process. What are you talking about? Right? How do you focus on discipline? First of all, follow your plan every day. Focus on discipline. First of all, you follow your plans every day. Number two is no revenge trading. No revenge trading. Don't even make a mistake of trying to go and get your money back. You end up losing everything and nothing will happen. Know that if you lose everything, you will not do anything. Nothing will happen. Nobody will put your money back. That's why you determine your risk. You go in. If you hit a stop loss, you are done. And number three, you focus on, judge success by discipline, not money. Your success should be judged by your discipline. Do you follow your rules? Do you keep to your plans? The outcome is not a process. The focus is your transformation of being a trader. You must be transformed to be a trader before you can be profitable. That's why you focus on the process so that you can the making of a trader. I will make a video on the making of a trader also some other time. But this one, judge your success by discipline, not by money. Don't look at the P&L every minute, right? Just focus on the process. Keep execution clean. When your setup show you risks, maybe a 0.1%, and you're risking, you're following your plans without altering it. That is your success as a trader.